Township Entrepreneurs Stories is a web series proudly brought to you by T. We profile small businesses nationwide that are providing services and products ekasi.
Sanibonani, igama lami Khabonina wa Mnguni. I'm from a company called Zibangwenya Suppliers trading as ZS Uniforms. We are based here at Tembisa, Esivana section. When you think of school uniform retail, it's an uncommon industry in our township. So we decided to bring school uniform retail closer to our parents in the township, and we decided to just bring a retail and exceptional uniform retail experience to our township of Tembisa. ZS Uniforms is a company that's on a mission to ensure that no child goes to school without proper school uniform. We are currently supplying 10 local schools here in Tembisa. That number will be up to 13 in 2025. We supply all types of school uniforms, so we have golf tops, we have socks, jerseys, half jerseys, tunics. We also supply uniforms for other industries, so we've got PPE, corporate uniform, healthcare, as well as cleaning uniform. So we also have our Futumala School Jersey Drive initiative, where we are on a mission to ensure that no child goes to school without a school jersey. This year we are proud to announce that we impacted the lives of 570 learners here in our township. We also have another school uniform initiative where we partner with companies who sponsor school children with uniforms in our community. We also have a Dignity Pack initiative where we impacted the lives of over 500 learners here in our community with Dignity Packs. So we are a business that is all about uplifting our community. As I mentioned, we've got a lot of initiatives that we are currently doing that support the community that we are currently servicing in. And to add on to that, we're also very big and focused on customer service as well as good quality uniforms. So that's why people should choose us. There's no need to go to other retailers when ZS Uniforms is here to support you with all your uniform needs. So you can find us on Facebook. Our Facebook page is Zibangwenya Supplies. You can follow us on Instagram, ZS_uniforms. You can also find us on TikTok. Our handle is ZS_uniforms. You can also email us at info@zsuniforms.co.za. Our website address is www.zsuniforms.co.za. Then you can also contact us on our store number 010-065-2039. You can also WhatsApp us on 082-640-4098, as well as on 072-444-0477. Hi, my name is Khabonina Mnguni, and I'm a proud township entrepreneur.